Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can complete the Young Monks request quest in Crimson Desert. So first things first, you want to come to this area of the map. I'm just east of Unicorn Cliff, which is southeast of Powell here, so there's the town. You want to come just out to this area just here, where you will find this camp. If it's the first time you've entered this camp, that will trigger the cutscene with the child here, which will complete the quest to talk to him, and then we have to mount up and go to the Sheer Village. To do that, we are going to travel directly south to the Sheer Village here, where you can see I've marked the hand in on the map, which will allow us to then obtain the mystical pine mushroom. If you have not been here before, this is actually going to trigger a secondary quest where upon nearing the village, you're actually going to get knocked out by two of the Sheer children with smoke. I have already done the quest that they start, but you are going to need to do it in order to actually enter the village. I will leave a link to that video in the description for anybody who hasn't done it, but once you've done that, you're then able to progress with this quest. Now when you get to this area just here, just northeast of the village itself, you're going to be looking for this little river just here, and then if you follow that in towards the cliffside here, you're actually going to see that it opens up this little cave area. I'm just going to go ahead and dismount here, and then if you come into this cave, this is where you're going to see, as you come into the cave, you are going to get put to sleep by these mushrooms. You will actually have an easier time of this if you just shoot them with your bow. Probably made myself look a bit silly by not just doing that in the first place. And then once you come to the end of the cave, you can see here on the floor that there is the mystical pine mushroom, which is the one that we need for the quest. Simply go ahead and take it, and you can see there that we have now completed the Young Monks request. So that about sums that up for that video, guys. Really hope that that helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. Check out the channel for more useful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.